Well, hello, everyone. This is Wilson Cole. I am president of Backdoor Hires and then also of Adams, Evans, and Ross. And I want to talk to you guys about Backdoor Hires. Imagine that. Statistically, if you have a backdoor hire, the chances that you have another backdoor hire has greatly increased. On average, if one of our clients has one backdoor hire that they find, if they go back and search their data, statistically, they're going to find another backdoor hire about half the time. The reason for that is you probably have been busy or you've had personnel changes that first backdoor hire had allowed to happen, or you just had a bad client. And so those same dynamics are at play. And here's an interesting thing. If you have supplied one company with a lot of candidates and they've hired or backdoor hired one of your candidates, statistically, they very well may have hired another one. We had one just recently in the last 30 to 60 days where our client was owed $40,000. We were able to get that resolved. And as we were working our way through and our staff attorney was working on the release, the debtor was pushing to have a full release, which don't want to get too far down in the weeds, but it basically just means, hey, everybody's walking away. And the ramifications for that can be that the candidates that you placed very well may get backdoor hired. So we ran the names. Our client had about 40 people that they had presented. And the client says, I don't think there's an issue. I'd sign a full release. Most of these candidates are probably aging out as far as on the possessory period anyway. And I said, well, let's just run it through our software. We ran it through their software. We found another backdoor hire that our client was unaware of that they had hired 6 months ago. So we were able to get that one resolved. My point being is, if your company has one backdoor hire, chances are 50% of the time there's another one in that data. If it is with a company that has backdoor hired you and you've sent several candidates, go back and recheck those candidates because statistically, there's probably another backdoor hire. If we can help you locate backdoor hires, certainly visit us at backdoorhires.com and set up a demo, and we can show you exactly how this system works. Hey guys, it's Wilson again, and this video was brought to you by Backdoor Hiring Solutions. And if you like the content, make sure that you click the like button. And also, if you want to receive additional videos, then please make sure to subscribe to our channel. If you'd like to learn more about our software, please visit our website at backdoorhires.com. And then also, if you'd like a copy of my free book, The Top 9 Excuses, please click in the video notes below, and there's a link where you can get this book absolutely free. Just simply pay for shipping and handling. Thank you.